How to make homemade squirrel food. For some people, providing squirrel food may deter squirrels from raiding bird feeders. These people tend to like to keep the bird seed for the birds. For other people, feeding squirrels is actually enjoyable, simply because they're cute to watch. But for everyone, feeding squirrels can be expensive. These yummy squirrel cakes, which are held together by suet, offer an inexpensive alternative to costly squirrel food and custom blended bird seed. Things you will need: suet ½ pound, old pot, wooden spoon, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of oatmeal, 3 cups of birdseed, muffin tins, plastic knife. Melt ½ pound of suet in an old pot until it becomes mushy and almost turns to liquid. It may be lumpy, but that's okay. Stir in 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of oatmeal with a wooden spoon over medium heat until the peanut butter becomes runny. Remove the mush from the stove. Don't allow it to cool or you'll never get it out of the pot. Stir in 3 cups of birdseed, adding 1 cup at a time or until the mixture becomes too stiff to stir. Spoon the mix into muffin tins, filling each one until it's level with the top. Let the cakes stand for about 24 hours. Pop the cakes out using a plastic knife and set them around your yard. Tips: warnings. For less mess, use gelatin instead of suet to make the cakes and refrigerate any you don't set out right away. Place squirrel food away from windowsills or doorsteps to discourage squirrels from coming into your house through screens or doors.